And welcome to Monday the 10th. What I want to go over with you is an introduction to here, what you will be doing in this module. In the last class, I showed you a Hank Green video, and in that video, he went over with you the cell cycle and mitosis, and that again is what I am going to be covering with you. You will be watching two relatively short videos that cover in the first one, I will be covering the cell cycle, and in the second one, I will be covering the process of mitosis and cell division. Okay. After you complete those two short videos, you will be doing a worksheet over cell division and mitosis. And in order to do that worksheet, you will need your textbook, and you will need to turn to page 279 and start there to complete your worksheet. And again, that worksheet will be due on Wednesday when you come to class, so make sure that you have submitted it before you come to class on Wednesday. Okay, so please just move on to the next step in this module and begin your short little PowerPoint video over the cell cycle. Have a good day.